What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video my friends, I'm gonna do the full review of Lenovo's new launched laptop, which is the IdeaPad Slim 5i. I know the name is a little big, but this laptop is amazing. It has got everything you will ever need and this is one of the best laptops I would recommend you to buy. Let's talk about the display. This laptop has a 15.6-inch display which is very good looking. The brightness is also 300 nits and it gets plenty bright. Using it in outdoors and using it in parks is very easy. So you can easily use it outdoors and do all your work on the go. And one more thing I want to tell you about the display, that is it also has anti-glare coating. Let's move on towards the processor and all the internals. So my friends, in this laptop I have bought a variant which has i5 11th gen. The i5 11th gen processor is one of the latest processors in the market, and this also has two graphic cards. That's an interesting story. We have the NVIDIA 2GB graphic card, which is the MX450, which is really damn awesome. Playing games, GTA 5, everything is gonna run smoothly, and obviously this is for business purpose, not for gaming, but still it can do light gaming and heavy gaming. That's great. Like if you just want to try out a game, you can easily do so. Let's move on toward the second graphic card we have in this laptop, and that's also an amazing looking graphic card. I mean, it's not amazing looking, it's amazing working graphic card, and that is the Intel Iris X. This is the second graphic card I bought in this laptop, and the variant I'm having has two graphic cards, but there are variants in which you can get just one graphic card, that is the MX450, or only one like the Iris X. So it depends upon which variant you're buying. Now there's one more thing you might think of, like what's the use of getting two graphic cards? That was the question also in my mind when buying that laptop. But the thing is, if you have two graphic cards, they both are gonna work at the same time and combine their powers to perform the task you're doing. Two graphic cards, both of them work together to provide a smooth experience with consistent frame rates. Actually, basically, you're not going to get a lot different performance from just having one graphic card. But the thing is, your minimum FPS will be a lot better. Now let's move on towards the battery life. That's also a very good compartment and an area where I would like to talk about a lot. And my friends, this laptop first of all supports fast charging. That's really good to see in this price range. Obviously it's $1,000, so you are gonna expect that. And the fast charging is 65 watts. So it's going to get charged up very easily. You can easily enjoy the fast charging. It's a good tech to have. And in future, more laptops are going to have fast charging. So if you're having right now, it's great. Let's move on towards the last thing, that is the storage, the RAM and all that other stuff. So my friends, first of all, let's talk about the storage, and that's a very good thing I want to talk about. First of all, in this laptop we have a 256GB NVMe M.2 SSD, which is the fastest SSD available, and you know what, its speed goes up to 2000 MB per second, and that's just great. I mean, that's just awesome. And opening the laptop was just so fast that sometimes I got tricked into like, did I put it into the sleep mode? And then I realized no, it was just fast to open. Like when I opened my PC, which is a gaming PC, and it took like 1 minute. I know there's a difference in SSD and SSD, but the difference is just so staggering high that it just makes up your day. I mean, in the boot up test of my PC, it took 1 minute to open, and in the boot up of the laptop, man, in less than 5 seconds it's up and running. So that's the difference. So yeah, I'm also thinking of upgrading my SSD to SSD in the near future of my computer, but we will see. Maybe I will just leave it as it is because yeah, I would like to wait for like a minute and I will just do all the other stuff, like bring out the water, get snacks for gaming and all that stuff. So it depends upon your real use. But the thing I am trying to point out in today's video is that SSD in this laptop makes a huge amount of difference. And SSD in the 256GB SSD which I got, Windows is installed in that only. So yeah, it makes a huge amount of difference and it's really worth noticing. And that's why I was telling you. Let's move on to the other part of the storage. That is 1000GB, that is 1TB HDD. And we also have 1TB HDD, and which is fine. It works good. It's good to have a storage device. So yeah. Overall, this laptop has plenty of storage for games, media, or even like running heavy softwares like Revit, Primavera, and all that stuff. So it's a good laptop overall. Now the last part is, how is the keyboard? How is the typing experience you're getting in that laptop? So my friends, the keyboard is a backlit keyboard. It looks fantastic. I'm honest, it just looks fantastic. And typing on it is a breeze. Experience is just great. You can type on it very easily. It feels great, and overall the keyboard is not gonna feel loose or like, I just don't find it cheap anytime. It's very premium looking. It works great. So yeah, overall this laptop is a must buy. Now what are my opinions? What are my thoughts about this laptop? First of all, I would like to say a big thanks to my subscribers who supported me a lot. No brand is sponsoring me because I have a very small channel, but these guys, you guys are just awesome. You have subscribed me whenever I told you. You did everything for me. You watched my videos, you subscribed, you liked. All that stuff is just great, mind-blowing. I love you guys. Now the part is, should you buy this laptop or not? First of all, if you're looking for a laptop under $1,000, this is not the right choice for you because this is more than $1,000. But it's still worth it because of the fact you're getting an i5 11 Gen and also a great SSD, that is NVMe M.2, not a SATA one. This is a really good laptop to look for if you're looking for a business laptop and you're thinking of using it for 2-3 years. Well, that's pretty much it. That's just my opinion about this laptop. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.